The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or PDEA raised concerns over the rise of Kush smuggling in the country. PDEA said the smuggled Kush are usually misdeclared items entering our ports. The agency expressed worry that the market of Kush are the youth who are looking for alternative party drugs. PDEA explained that Kush is cheaper compared to other party drugs like ecstasy.
Season na maraming pera, maraming party, maraming pupuntahan, maraming gimmick. At usually kasi bakasyon, mataas ang potent nito. Mas malakas siya. Ang tama. Baka siguro umitit ka ng 3 sa marijuana, doon sa kos isa lang, may tama na.
Oo, kasi ang Kush is high concentrated ang ano niya, yung hallucinogen niya tsaka yung downer effect niya. So, usually daw, yung if it takes, for some people who are sanay na with that drug, it takes 3 or 4 or 5 to get a high. Dito, 1 puff daw, it gets you a high. Either mag-food trip ka or matutulog ka. And kasi ang ecstasy medyo mahigpit ngayon.
Yeah.
So ngayon, they're saying may flooding talaga sa market ngayon of Kush. Oh, kasi that's why they're retraining dogs daw to smell out Kush. Kasi
Hindi
the
masyado nila
ang
naamoy.
dogs kasi parang ecstasy and cocaine and shabu ang ano nga nila.
Trained sa kanila.
Most of them, oo.
Can you imagine ito nga, di ba? Nakikita nila yung pagsasmuggle.
Yeah, high-grade
Ano,
push.
lalakas ng loob, sabihin kasi nakakalusot siguro yung karamihan. Di ba?
Ayan, no? Ang laki yan. Isang bulto ng ganyan. Ang dami na yan actually because yung Kush na yan. Look at the dog. Yan. Tinetrain nila yan to smell Kush. Yan, ano. Ang cute Jack Russell ata yan.
I remember yung Kush na usapin na yan, di ba? Yung sa anak ni DOJ Secretary Remulla, yan yung nahuli.
Yeah.
Na pinadalas. Siya
Daw.
yung receiver,
Oo.
allegedly, di ba?
Oh, allegedly. Oh.